Buddy, doing okay? You doing okay, buddy? How's my buddy? How's my buddy? Yeah, he doing okay. How about you, Boots?
You're from where, Indiana?
You doing okay, Boots?
Oh, well, welcome. This is electricity.
Mm-hmm.
And that's a stool. Come get you some writing paper.
Peaches? Boots?
I don't lie about where I'm from. I love when people do that.
Coco?
Hey, where you from?
Hey, Coco.
Where are you? Where in Chicago?
The mama. Yeah, Coco's the mama. She's everybody's mama.
Nice to meet you. Indiana's not a big tourist destination. And a lot of people have driven through there, so occasionally after a show, someone will be like,
Ain't that right, Coco?
Indiana. I drove through Indiana once.
You the mama, right?
I never know what to say. I remember you.
Mm-hmm.
You were a very good driver.
She all y'all mamas. Except for this ogre.
Whenever I go back home, my brothers and sisters all think I've
He don't like nobody.
Oh, well, welcome home, Mr. New York City. What's that you're wearing, Mr. New York? It's a belt.